going,
Repeat.
with who are you going? Who is everybody that's going to the camp?
From, no, like,
From
from,
school.
yeah.
Okay, are you looking forward to it?
Repeat, please.
Emma, where are your ears today? Um, are you looking forward to the camp? Are you excited about the camp or don't you really want to go?
What is it?
Excited. Okay,
Yeah.
and where are they having the camp?
Mm, I don't know.
In your city or in another city?
And another.
Okay. You don't sound very excited.
Why?
I don't know. It doesn't sound like you're looking forward to it.
Mm,
Because then you can't sleep late. Not so many video games. What are you going to do on the camp, or don't you know yet?
I don't know.
Well, at least it gives you something to do during the holiday. Okay, let's start with our lesson. Okay, can you remember? No, we done a reading one the previous time. Okay, this one is about to see how much do we understand. So we're going to see over here is a flyer for a gym, like an advert. And we're going to read through it. And then we have questions that we need to answer to see how well we understand what we read. But before we do that, they first give us a preparation task to do. So over here are different words. At the bottom are phrases. So we have to match the word to the phrase. For example, we read the first one, a building or club where people go to do physical exercise. What do we call that? And then we choose one from the words on the top. Okay, are you ready? You,
Yes.
you may read the first one, please.
A building club, a building or club where people go to do physical exercise,
Is called
fitness, a
a
gym, gym.
aha. Okay, the next one.
The state of being healthy and strong,
Okay, the state of being healthy and strong.
mm, fitness.
Clever girl. Okay, next.
Mm, a document that gives details about how and when you will do physical exercise, a training plan,
Okay, next.
a period of time for, for
A,
particular activity session.
that's right. A period of time for a particular activity. The second last one.
Money you paid so that you can do something such as join an organization, an instructor.
Uh-uh. The money that you pay so that you can do something such as join an organization. But let's skip that one. Let's go to the next one, and then you will see what the correct answer is for the money one. Okay, so do this one.
Mm, oh my God. Uh, a person who teach skill or sport. Mm, instructor.
An instructor shows you how to do things. Okay, so then the last one will be
A person, a Money you
Uh,
pay so that you can do something as join an organization, a fee.
that's right. So you pay a fee to join something. Okay, and you had them all correct. Now I want us to read um our flyer for the gym, and then we're going to answer questions. But I am getting extremely cold. I just want to quickly get a jacket. Okay, so just give me 1 second to just put on a jacket, please. Okay, I'll be with you now. Okay, sorry, a jacket and a blanket because it's very cold. What is the temperature in Ukraine? Are you also getting so very hot?
No, oh, hot, yeah.
Because I have spoken to a lot of people in Europe. Then it is 10 o'clock in the morning, and then they say it's almost 40 degrees.
Oh my God.
Yes, so that is, and we have total opposite. I'm getting really cold today. Okay, let's start by reading our flyer. You may start.
Uh, but you don't want just a gym membership. You want membership that means something that mean you need sport, expert help, and a community. Best Body Fitness isn't just a gym; it's full service fitness membership made for you.
Okay,
Here how it's work. We begin with the assessment session as a change for you to see what we do at Best Buddy. Our assessment plans are no cost and no risk. We'll also make a training plan specially for you.
okay,
Step to your training. When you decide to become Best Buddy member, we show you want to do how to do it and why you're doing it. After a few sessions with an expert private trainer, you will feel comfortable working out on your own, but don't worry, we'll always be nearby if you have questions.
okay.
Step 3, your membership. Membership work on the month to month basis. There are no sync ship fees and no can
Cancellation.
you start and stop whenever you want, and the best part of a field are the most competitive in the
Repetitive.
world downtown area.
Okay, I
Step
think before we go on to step 4, let's quickly do the first part together. Okay, best body fitness. In this flyer, if you see this whole flyer like this, best body fitness, what do you think this gym's name is called? Could you see the name somewhere in this flyer?
no,
Okay. I'm going to ask you that question a little bit later again. Let's let's see how far we can get. Okay. They want to tell us, they've given us a pamphlet or advertisement because they want us to join the gym. So they're telling us everything about the gym and what is important for us to do if we would want to join the gym and what are the steps we need to take. So firstly, about us. They are telling us about themselves. You don't just want a gym membership. You want a membership that means something. And that means you need support, expert
Okay.
help, and a community. That means support, people that are there that can help you, expert help, people that can show you how the gym equipment works and help you to get a training plan and to tell you you need to do this and you need to do that, and a community. A community is people that think the same in the same place. So people that go to the gym, I don't like going to the gym. So I'm not part of the gym community. But people that get up at 4 o'clock every morning and go to the gym and eat healthy and drink lots of water, and tonight after work they go back to the gym and all they do is exercise. They all think the same and they have the same interests. So we call them a community. Okay, Best Body Fitness isn't just a gym. It's a full service fitness membership made for you. So it's not just a lot of training equipment and you go and you train and you come back. They offer more than that. And in the next few paragraphs, they're going to tell you what do they offer. Before we go on, and then they say, okay, this is how it works. The first one, step one, your assessment. What is assessment?
Mm,
What does
mm,
assessment mean?
this
Ass-
change
no,
you.
assessment is when, just like you do assessments at school, you have to, if you have a subject and you have to do a task or a project, you give in your project to your teacher and she assesses you. She sees, okay, Emma has done what she understands this. She needs a little bit of help with this. This is very good. And she gives you an assessment mark. She says it's like an exam mark. Um, okay, we've tested this and this and this, and I've showed you this, and this is where we need help. So, step one by joining the gym is your assessment. Because if I go to the gym now and they have to assess me, they're going to say, okay, you're not ready to run 5 kilometers. Let's start by walking 1 kilometer a day, because that's where my fitness level is. If whoever, Usain Bolt, goes to the gym and he says, I want to be a gym member, they're not going to say, okay, do 5 of these, do 10 of these exercises. They're going to push him and say, you need to do all this exercise because your body can handle it. You are fit enough. So that's your assessment. They look, what can you do? Where are you in your program? And then they help you with that. They give you feedback. Okay, so step one is they first want to see how fit you are. We begin with an assessment session. So you do things and they see, okay, Emma is not going to make a 5 kilo run. And they're going to look at me and they're going to say, oh, she's not even going to make a 2 kilometer run. So let's get a plan that works for them. So you begin with your assessment session. This is a chance for you to see what we do at Best Body. Our assessment plans are no cost, no risk. So you can go for the first time and see, okay, this is where I am. You're not going to pay for it, but they're going to give you the feedback. So you are not stuck at the gym for life and now you cannot get out of your membership. You can then decide, this is for me or this is not for me. So there are no costs and no risks. We'll also make a plan specifically for you. So they're going to see, you're able to do this, I'm able to do this, and give each one of us our own plan. Then I want to go back to my first question. What is the name of this gym?
Best Body Fitness. Wait.
Okay, that's right. Then we go to step, you are with me up until step 1. Nothing you don't understand or are
What
unsure of.
what what I need to do?
Okay, let's see. Step 2, your training. When you decide to become a Best Body member, we show you what to do, how to do it, and why you are doing it. After a few sessions with an expert is somebody that is very qualified in their field. I'm definitely not an expert trainer because I would not know what to tell you. But I'm an expert English teacher because I know what to teach you and I know how to teach you. So you get somebody that really knows what they're doing. Um, where am I now? Okay, so we'll tell you what to do, how to do it, and why you have to do it. After a few sessions with an expert private trainer, you will feel comfortable working out on your own. So we're going to help you in the beginning. And as soon as you are confident and you feel, I can handle these machines and I know what to do, then you can train on your own. You don't need somebody to watch you the whole time. But don't worry, we'll always be nearby if you have questions. So there's still somebody, even though they've stopped giving you personal private training, there's still somebody that you can just say, sorry, can you come and help me? I don't know how to use this equipment or how many sets of these should I do. So there are expert trainers all around the gym. Okay. Um, Now, you haven't read step 3.
Red.
Did you
Wait,
read?
read. Yes.
Okay. Step 3, your membership. Membership is I've now decided I want to be a member of this gym. I'm going to go 3 times a week or 5 times a week. So I want to be part of this. Membership works on a month-to-month basis. So you don't need to take out a contract for 1 year. You can say, I want to go to the gym in July, so I'm going to only pay for July. If I decide I want to go in August, I just renew my membership. But if I decide, this gym is not for me, I don't like getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning, then you say, okay, I'm done. I don't want to have a membership anymore. So membership works on a month-to-month basis. There are no sign-up fees and no cancellation fees. You don't have to pay to become a member. You have to pay your membership fee every month, but you don't need to pay an admin fee. And there's no cancellation fee. So if after July you decide, I don't want to do this anymore, they're not going to make you pay a penalty because you've stopped your gym membership. Start and stop whenever you want. And the best part, our fees are the most competitive in the whole downtown area. So their fees are not the cheapest, but you get the most value for money from this gym in the whole area. Okay, now you can read step 4 for me, please.
At Best Body Fitness, we see everyone as part of a big team, and when you work with a team, you can do great things. Join any of our special ed classes led by expert instructor. Come to our nu-
Um,
nutrition
where are we
class.
now? Come to our nutrition class. Nutrition is like a dietitian. They teach you what is the right food to eat. Eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. Don't eat a lot of sweets. So nutrition is what our bodies need. It's the food we eat. Okay. Participate.
In our regular social event, everything is included in your fee. Finally, we wanted to share with you some reason why our members say that they have chosen us over any other fitness center in the city.
Okay, let me quickly go through this one. Step 4, your community. This group of people that think and feel the same way you do about gym. At best, at Best Body Fitness, we see everyone as part of a big team. And when you work with a team, you can do great things. Join any of our specialized classes led by expert instructors. So there will be classes for Pilates, there will be toning classes, there will be aerobics, and then there will be the gym where you do the where you use the equipment. So you can choose whatever classes you want to do. Come to our nutrition classes where we teach where we teach you how to eat properly. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Participate in our regular social events. Everything is included in your fee. They offer a lot of things, or maybe talks on nutrition or talks on fitness, and you can join any of those without paying extra because it's all included in your gym membership fee. Finally, we wanted to share with you some reasons why our members say that they have chosen us over any other fitness center in the city. So our next two paragraphs are, why do people like to go to Best Fitness? Okay, you may quickly read them for me, please.
Easy to start, stop, cancel or refund the membership. Easy to ask it. We're open 24/7. We never close. Easy to do exercise. We have a lot of equipment, no long wait. Easy result. Our trainers and equipment give you success fast. Easy to find in the center of town, near public transport and with parking.
Okay, you can read the next one.
Wonderful members, wonderful trainers and staff, wonderful equipment, wonderful energy, wonderful location. Come and visit us for personal tour.
Okay, so there they give you all the good things about this gym. It's easy to stop, it's easy to start, to cancel, or to refund a member. Refund is when they say you have paid for 3 months, but for after 1 month, I don't want to go anymore. They will give you the other 2 months' money back. That's refund. I will refund you, I will give you your money back. It's easy to access. We're open 24/7. We never close. So you can go to the gym anytime. Easy to do exercise because we have a lot of equipment. You don't have to stand in a row and wait to use the treadmill or whatever. There's enough for everybody to use. Easy results. Our trainers and equipment give you success very fast. Easy to find. We're in the center of town. There's a lot of public transport and a lot of parking if you want to ride with your own car. All the things that are wonderful. The members, the people that belong to the gym, the trainers and the staff. So that's the instructors and the staff, the equipment that you use in the gym. Wonderful energy. So there's a good vibe in the gym and a wonderful location. Location is where it is situated. Where do you find the gym? It's in a good place, easy to get there. Come and visit us for a personal tour. Okay, before we do the tasks, let's quickly go out of Zoom and re-enter. Thanks, Emma.